Skip here again. This has been a series. It's an overview, the 10,000-foot view, overlooking affiliate marketing and all the elements that are necessary. Gosh, I wish I could just hand out pills that gave you all the information you need. But don't sell yourself short and don't come up short on the elements necessary to become successful. There's mechanics involved in building websites and capture pages and all of these different things. Autoresponders and creating the information and whatnot. And understand that everybody starts at zero. Pretty much everybody does, and you're going to have to build it. So if it's using your autoresponder and learning how to put in the messages that you need and the content and all of that, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just do it. Learn just one step at a time. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So you may be starting out from brand new or fresh, or you may be starting over because you've been trying and unsuccessfully. And understand that if you do this right, the whole goal is that you can dominate the market. Because I can tell you the difference between what you're doing with this and what the millions of other people who attempt it and fail don't do is you're doing what it takes. A little extra margin of effort, that belief in yourself. You want to dominate the market? You can. Absolutely you can. If you understand, when you look at only 4% of all those people online are really making the big bucks, and there are billions of dollars paid out every year in affiliate commissions, the reality is there's a handful of people making a whole lot of money and a whole lot of people that are coming up with nothing. You want to be in that 4% group, and you can do it. And anybody that's in the 4% group is dominating. That puts you in very rare territory. So why can't you do it? Well, because you don't believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, that's something you need to work on. The 4% challenge, which again I've made available, and I can't recommend it enough. Part of the training there is to learn how to change your view of yourself, what you can do, and to kind of open your eyes, open some doors for you, so you can see the bigger picture of what you can do. Start to believe in yourself and dominate the market. Have knowledge, understand branding, understand product selection, understand target marketing, some of these various elements, and put it all together. Well, all that stuff is laid out for you sequentially in such a way that the only people who fail at it are the people who quit, that don't believe in themselves and don't follow through. But if you believe in yourself, if you follow through, if you're passionate, and you can reach out and really touch some people, it's amazing what you can do. So much of the online marketing is less than personal. It's impersonal. It's bland. It's dry. It's routine. It's common. There's nothing extraordinary about it. Nothing creative. Nothing that sets the marketers aside from everybody else. And if you're a person who's never succeeded, and that's your mindset, then you'll never succeed, because that's your mindset. So you have to kind of look at it from a different perspective. And if you're passionate, I have an example. I have a fellow that I had trained in a previous business, and he came along, and this guy, you talk about energy, no doubt, absolute self-confidence, not egotistical in any way, very humble, in fact. But a passion and an understanding that he was going to succeed at whatever he does, and just amazing confidence and energy that he brought to the table. Well, he became, over a 10-year period, the #1 salesperson of everybody that ever came into the system and selling. He became the #1. I consider him today to be a personal friend and an amazing man. And while I did the initial training, he took it from there. And with his passion, with his belief in the product, his belief in himself, there wasn't a question that he was going to do business. And he wrote more business than anybody else for those two things. The words that he was using, the sales presentation that I used to train people with, was the same as everybody else. He was using the same thing that everybody else did. But he applied to that his own belief system. He applied to that his own energy. He applied to that. Behind all those words was a passion and reality that he projected. And that's very real. And if you don't believe in yourself, that's what you're going to project. And so part of this is to take the time, learn the skills, read some of the motivational materials, take advantage of the things that are going to help you become better at who you are and what you do and how you do it. And if you can do that, you got the world by the tail, because most people Most people, and this is a sad reality, most people really don't believe in themselves outside of a particular sphere of who they are and what they can accomplish. This is the kind of question that I ask an awful lot of people, and it's very revealing. And I will start out by saying this is not about the money, but it's interesting. I've asked people, can you see yourself making $10,000 a month? Most people say, yeah, maybe, not unreasonable. Ask that same person, can you see yourself making $100,000 a month? And everybody shuts down. Oh, yeah, people do that. That's over $1 million a year. I mean, how many people do that? Boy, that's rare. And they don't even count themselves as being available to do that or capable in any way of doing that. But here's the reality. It's just numbers. It's just numbers. If you can do 10,000, you can do 100,000. Wash, rinse, and repeat. If you learn how to do it, that's where the 30% or the 30-session 4% challenge comes in, where it teaches you all the elements and how to look at that and to become strong and to be capable and build yourself. But those are the things that are necessary. It's about mindset. It really is. And so if you believe in yourself, you can do it. And there's no difference between the 10,000 and the 100,000. There's still 24 hours in a day, same products, same arena, same space in the industry or whatever. One person succeeds and another doesn't. What's the difference? It's who they are, how they present themselves, their confidence. You want to dominate the market? Do what others are unwilling to do. Model yourself in a blueprint that has been proven to be successful. Take the steps. And if you can do that in a period of 6 months to a year, and you can, by the way, that's all available. That's all something that's very realistic. Change your life forever. Have change, have the ability to make choices in life. That's a big deal. So my heart for you is to be able to make some choices and to look at what's possible. What can I do that really makes a difference? So whatever it is. Now, by the way, this whole series is on my website, and you can go there, and lots of information in there on my website and whatnot. My goal is to help you, is to take you by the hand and meet you and get to know you. You personally, you, if you're watching this video, is to help you walk hand in hand with you and see you succeed. That's my biggest payday. Regardless, for me, yeah, money is important. I want lots of it like everybody else. And that's, money is a good thing. But it's personal satisfaction. It's making a difference. It's giving yourself to something that's worthwhile for others. That's the big deal. And for me, that's the biggest payday. If I meet somebody and I know I can give them some input that is life-changing, that's rewarding. So, having said that, I wish you the best. Hang in there. Check out the 4% challenge. It's life-changing. It's worth every penny you might spend in the process of building yourself up. Don't hold back. If you really want it, you can have it. It's just a mindset. So with that, I'm available. Go to my website, skipmcnutt.com, and there's a link here to the 4% challenge. Take advantage of it, and if you're happy doing what you do, by the way, if you're happy where you're at, stay there. You're in rare territory. This is about pursuing your dreams and your passions and applying it in a way that you can really succeed and monetize all of that. So if you want that change, you want to get away out from under the hourly job, the journey of the broke job, if you want to get out of that and the salary of the drudgery of what you're doing and the 8 to 5 and all that and have some freedom and some choices, it's an amazing thing. So my goal is to help you with that. So thank you for taking the time. I hope you watch the other videos. They give you some idea of what it takes to be successful in affiliate marketing and an online presence. So with that, I wish you well. God bless, and I will talk to you in some of the other videos. Thanks.